Hi guys, I guess if you tuned into this video it's because, like me, you have problems with the air cushions. They become like this. Luckily this bit seems to be alright. I think it's just a bit dirty in there, but yeah, it's a shame. So this is the active noise cancelling. I think it's the Live Q30. Don't know if it says somewhere in here. Yeah, Live Q30s. So yeah, best is to replace them. I bought them from SOULWIT. So Live Q30 in black. They have other colors as well. So let's just pause the video. Okay, so these are the instructions. You gently shuffle the tool underneath the earpad and slowly separate. Here's the stick or your butter knife. I would prefer using this stick, and you guys should do the same. So this works for Q30 and Q35s, and then you just take time, slowly separate them, and then you remove also. So you put the speaker mat on the speaker. I guess it has, I think it's already in, but yeah, and then you apply some pressure. So let's see. This is the tool, and these are the new ear cushions, and as you can see they look exactly the same. So just to quickly show you, so I put the tool like this. Let's see if I can hold this. So I put this in this position, then you push up, yeah, gently and slow. As you can see, it's already coming out in there. So I'm gonna do a round. Okay, so it's off. So this is the left, and that's the new one, just so you could see. And quite similar. You can see the color on this is a bit more, but doesn't matter to me. And this is a bit can you see through this? Yeah, that's the same. And then this is what they meant by that thing that you have to put back. So this was in here. See, it looks like inside, by the way. So then you align this back, and then you push that in. So I've aligned it down first, and just press. You can hear that noise. So you just have to press all around. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll do it with the phone down. And there you have it, guys. You just best is to put your palm and press on it. So you hold this in with the left, and you press with the right slowly, and it pops in place, and you can see it's perfectly done, perfectly aligned. I'm gonna just do the other one as well. And yeah, same with the right side. You just align this like so, and then you put this correctly. There you have it, guys, all done. This will go to the bin, and hello to the new ones, and they're quite nice, like a nice memory foam as well. Very nice. So yeah, there you have it. Otherwise, brand new now. Yes, thanks for watching.